Agus murder ma Bohemians a clufa canis to chéadúr I riamh. Chá siad san nó an current ile éireannach ag Jeremy Lunasa, he's a ferry Carrick Park and I'm Raw Loch Garman. Agus cred an nach cred ó chuin. Níl éon clufa cád up. Seach cliff ó chuin. Chéad cín grút up. So Shra. Agus cumach éana. Athlone and I rugged in the Shamroig. Agus dó an áidre ócaid sin nach siúna inis. Gadíoch tinta. Téisi check McAvoy. Expecting. Oh, let's go up. We're trying it out of McAvoy. Oh, well, Kitrishin Martus. Hey, Bohemians. Martuk on saying the statistic machen in you. Alana McAvoy. Let's see Kid Cool. Mirrors of what's it? Hey, Alana McAvoy.
A lehead to cool. Thomas the Granaway reach. Fecha show more skill and like Alana McAvoy. Either the Hall Nero Shantabe, the Shenkoshin School Connection and stuff at Urker, a big catch the Shankul Zuckret Dungeon.
Murphy, Lisa Murphy, Finneadha soon here. For Kelly Brennan, it's pass speed, a cool ball, Fontoon Ingray. Oh, Fells in there, Matty Gibson, Kinna, Allmore, Sugar, Rainsor, Axis Kings here, Amach, and Kinna, Lucas Keating, Rachel Kelly, Bishi, Harba, Kroga, Thomas Banana Shearer, the Ganshin in East. The story of him that we're talking about is Shakul Salach against a pass Squitzer, Rachel Kelly, Banda Leha, Matty Gibson, the father, are no, near a hit touch into oh, Seán, Kitto, the Hurst Gouch, and Tom, Chassa Muska, oh, let's go home! On Lero's Tucky and Sean Brennan, Kelly Brady, Son Oscar, Megan Onkart, the coolest Fickeke, a follow over this, good see Shoglera, Kate Fisher Chin, Marcool, even if Piggishay.
Shin Fragger Ian tough on Coola for Bows. The student Kate Kuig no make it Ian took her fun. I Kate 7
Kelly Brady, another shot. Matty Gibson, let's in there on Cessna. Athlone, Quigan, Hampshire, and Ish Kelly Brady, Phil Sheets Punta, August Toshi, Eger Reteros. Kiskis Muska, Marcool Kelly Brady, Achadish Bows, Vider Hunkin, and Coolway. Alana McAvoy wieder snuflaha sé numed vi Bós Hildals gan Keen ach na championí a fása seach an scorin seo le hama championí Baile Átha Luain dó Bohemians a hían Péad fáte leis a gluigeann sa chéad le ceann fáte leis leis a kittóg ag se teso an cuis is fearr le Kelly Brady tríchú cool ibir a picio gon séisiir ag Kelly Brady Canning na Honigway Connecticut Blue Devils Gan áras Carla Ward Martha Gibrano Kacha Gujian Torquay le Kelly Brady agus a tuspátas gotí seo mar sin tosa Kelly McCarn call the busty ach tá Kelly le tosa call the busty Shitty Kelly Brady oh leis a kitto Níla Tesso ag Kelly Chuck Lahans Don hat-trick fáta ag Kelly Brady Níl Catsach trí nuad go Deireadh Bishi Son Oscar Digan Onkart mar a bhí a gahanna bliana Get out of St. Butter off with Kelly Brady Tríchú le go hello Tríchú le Kelly Brady
Yeah, Cricky took on Shinoi Kelly Brady by Demon down there, Rachel Kelly, Mark Forshi Law there.
Let's get Lero's, and let's get Lero's. Touching cool to cool of the card. Kelly Brady, Leshin Jasso. Oh, let's go home on. So, Elizabeth Don Kipping, Egg Rachel Kelly. Be Hashin Ford, Hashin Sauce, Galons, or Good Kroga, and East. Rock at it, John Eastway, Kelly Brady, Vichy Gale Lushtach, Hoxie, Finneadha, Leshin. Kelly Lovely. Axelish, Leshin Jasso. Go! Shikara, Megan Glasgow, Taki Godlina, Kamata, Pizza, Kia, Hopefully, over Shen. Oh, let's go home like Bohemians. Axelish, Louise Farming, Top Cliff at it, just us, Tallaght.
Oh, let him. Why ever a shot? Brennan Gabos, he took our cause.
Ava Brennan, well, let's go. Seamshift, agus kinds on Bennett, just us, Tallaght. Oh, cool. Mirrors of what's in Conning Bohemians. Hey, Shane, and me, Kate, you're playing Alana McAvoy. Watch it. Tom Patson. Tom's getting a number to us. And we'll say she wants her. Push our love and Rainsora. Tom Faddoig, Evil and Rainsora. Tom Faddoig, Yarnock, Shane Shaw. Estos, Tallaght. Star Crohia. And Brawl Lordsina. Kalini, Baile Átha Luain. Gundara Ur Idiot. Toshin Rahul. And Clifford Camish and Current FAI. Sports Direct. Well, let's go Hospantas, let's go Blian. Ag má Baile Átha Luain. Glasgow sit at the Europe. Ach near Sheska. Ach. Let's go Blian go Baile Átha Luain Louise Lee Crosby. Cardu Ardwola awards the run at Arzintaco. Hustle sheets a shrap cool Glenochan. Ardwola to Sacar.
Yeah, Blin Storul, Egfern, Baile Átha Luain in Blina, Egimmert to Shran the Champagny on Pern Europa, Con Shrabu to Aku, Agsunish, Con Sports Director, Corn FAI, Boot to Aku, Gockrod, Hostorul, Finneadha, Agus Deireadh, Finneadha.
Kate, champions of the Cup and the League. How's it feel?
Unbelievable. Like, I think coming in today, I don't know if we were thinking about the double or anything. Like, we just wanted to, especially right the wrongs of last year. Like when we came into this game last year, we just did not show what we were about, and we completely, just flopped on the day really. So we really wanted to come and put up a proper performance, and that was one of the toughest games we've had all year, I'd say. Yeah,
it was a hard one for you, like, because you got at the start we're pushed back big time, 1-0 down, fought your way back into the game, and then Bohs came alive again. Yeah, like we knew they were going to be like these cup games, like anything can happen at any moment. So when they scored, we just kept the heads and kept focusing on what we had to do. Didn't really change much. And then obviously we knew at halftime they were going to come out second half. They had to go for it, and they were pushing players up the pitch. It was chaos really, but that's what you have to do. You just have to grind it out at the end. And you put in some performance yourself in the middle of everything. I didn't feel like it, to be honest. I felt like I was running around like a headless chicken half the time, but it was just chaos really. You're just trying to put your body wherever you can to try and stop any shots or any through balls or anything. Speaking of being in the middle of it, we had to pull you away from the family there to come over and talk to us. Everyone's delighted. What does it mean for the fans, the family, the players and players themselves to be here and League and Cup champions? Yeah, it's huge. Like, it's huge for the club, it's huge for Athlone, like the town itself. Like, we've huge support at every game at home. Even at the European games, like, everyone came to support. Like, they were travelling over to Netherlands and Scotland, and like to see them all out today, like, we see how much it means to them. For us to bring the cup back home again, the double, like, there'll be definitely a party going on at Athlone tonight. So I'm here with the winning manager, John. How was the feel? Amazing. I'm so proud of the group. Extremely happy for every individual involved. They've worked hard all year. They all deserve this moment. They're amazing players. And as I said before, big games, big moments, big players stand up, mentality monsters. And they needed to dig in because it didn't all go their way. The first 20 minutes or so, both were in your faces, and you had to build your way back in. Yeah, look, we've seen it against DLR. We've seen it today. Ian Holloway once used the phrase bounce back ability. This group has an abundance. They're incredible. And in the second half as well, Bohs, especially when they got the second goal, only a goal in it, they really went all in. How proud are you of that defensive display where everyone rode in? Incredible. Bodies on the line, incredible. We knew what we were up against throughout the whole 90 minutes. We knew what Bohs Arsenal was. We prepared for it, and here we are, celebrating now. And I was chatting to Kelly Brady earlier, and she was saying the goal was get crosses in the box from wide, and he got 2 goals from that today. So it must be great when a plan comes together. Yeah, it's amazing. But the girls take the info on board. The decision is then up to them once they're playing the game, and thankfully they chose the right ones. You're only in the club a few months, but what does this mean to the club to go and make history again? They made history last year with the first league title, and they went and they made the double this year. So you're building history on history the whole time. Yeah, the only way is up, and we're going to keep climbing that ladder. I said it before, if it's not broken, don't fix it, but just because it's not broken doesn't mean you can't upgrade it. And we'll constantly look to upgrade ourselves. Kelly Brady, agus Aoife Murtagh, Sports Director, Atá Seolis and Radham have run it. Congratulations. Kelly, player of the match, a hat-trick in a winning final. So what dreams are made of? Yeah, I couldn't ask for more. I mean, we did the double. We did what we wanted to do. What a great season. I'm so proud of this team. So proud of the work we put in all these past 10 months. So couldn't be happier. And it is hard to keep going back to the well because we were talking to a few players last week. Like, you had the league pretty much won with a while. Then it was won. And now all the pressure came on this. There wasn't much history left to make, but you did it today with the double. Yeah, this team deserves it. I mean, we had dreams and we went out and got them. So sorry, I'm so out of breath. You're all right. You were covering a lot of ground and you got yourself 3 goals today as well. Talk us through them. The first one, Seán put in a great ball. I mean, what we practiced in practice, our plan was to attack out wide and get the crosses in the box. I mean, I was the only one in the box, just getting on the end of it, just putting on like whatever I could behind it just to put it on goal. Second one, a great cross from Maddie Gibson, again from that left side. Phenomenal crosses, like couldn't have asked for better. The third one, I mean, just a deflection. I think it honestly just landed for me. Just got to put it on goal. Then Rachel Kelly's a good goalie, so
it went in. Fell for me, finally got my hat trick, so.
Very good. The scenes of full time, the celebrations, the noise from the fans, it must feel unbelievable.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we played in big crowds, you know, with the season we had from Champions League in Athlone, so we were used to it. The crowd was phenomenal, the atmosphere was phenomenal today. I mean, just the roars that were let out when the goals were scored, like, couldn't have asked for better support. I mean, you hear them out there, it was awesome.
You've had some week, you won a league title, you won a cup, and you got all called up for the Irish training squad as well, and you scored a hat-trick in front of the manager, which isn't too bad.
Was she here?
She was here.
Yeah, you know, I've been putting on the week all season. I think I'm in good form now. I'm happy I got called up. You know, glad to be recognized by Carla Ward. I'm just going to go into camp and put in my best effort, and excited to get around the girls and hopefully get a call up again.
Well, best of luck with it. Go on there, celebrate. You have a trophy to lift. I'll leave you go. Come in, man.
Thank you so much.
Átha Luain! Tashin na Champagny! On double to duck up. Champagny na Shraha. Champagny on Chopon. FAI. Rakanich Gordon Brett Sochora. Agus an Brotach an Ardzege. Bima Lars LeFarger. Gordon Brett on Toos. Got Sherbets in Blame Felix a Fitya Hotshama, La Ashter, Le Fish, Stuart Tommy Hewitt, over the Goppels and the Tommy Hewitt, Harna Belinta, Arno O'Hunnele, Honik Farshachter, Adam Kieran Kilduff, Rahul, Aguson, Strat, Tucky Lesh, Nora, Agus O'Hunnele, Tilla, Kieran Kilduff, Le Dunes Algan, Zitson, Paul Orton came, Shran Navarra, Emiliana, Agus Arno Ordwulla, Coffer, Ordwulla, Tilse, Colin Fortune, if it's a governor like Gordon Bretson, Nullskull, Hosramachar, Nashter, Shermlina, Tasha Amni, Mar Banistor in the Blina, Schachmans Rolowis, the Ord, Mulla, Egdol, Gun Persson, John Sullivan, and Chomakena, good Colin Brett, as in Gashkita, Zentik, the Marasha.